Nagbabalik ang Rotary in Action.
Katulad po ng nabanggit namin kanina, sa darating na Sabado na po ang isa sa pinakihintay na event ng aming district, ang District 3780. Ang pagpasok ng Best Class Team sa pangunguna ng aming Best Class Governor, Samuel Sammy Pagdilaw Jr.
At sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon mga kasambahay ay hindi club o district ang host ng event na yan, kundi ang mga members ng Silver Team.
That's right, Gob. At dahil dyan, kasama natin ngayong gabi dito ang aming mga Silver Presidents.
Mga classmates.
Yep. Bati muna kayo.
Bati muna kayo, mga classmates.
Ako po si Silver President Becky Cruz. Binabati po kayo ng magandang gabi.
Ano nga pala,
Club mo?
Past President Betty, ang club mo?
Ako po ay kasulukuyang miyembro ng Rotary Club of West Triangle.
Okay.
Classmate Aiza.
Good evening to all our televiewers. Good evening to my family, friends, and relatives. Ako po si Silver President, Past President Aiza Remedios from the Rotary Club of Kamuning Central.
Si BFF ng lahat, si classmate Marlene.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat. I am Past President Marlene Manabat of the Rotary Club of Cubao Central. Binabati ko po lahat ng mga nanonood at sana mga Rotarians umattend kayong lahat sa district turnover this Saturday. Maganda yan.
Bati mo naman yung mga Silver President.
Yung mga classmates namin na Silver Presidents. I hope nanonood kayo lahat. Ready lang kayo dyan.
So, I'll shoot the question already, Gob, na?
Well, first of all, Lani, ako'y natutuwa at kasama ko na naman ang aming mga
Gabi-gabi na lang.
You're at home, Gob.
Nami-miss lang namin yung isang Silver President, ang ating mainstay sa Rotary in Action.
Birthday, Gob.
Na si Echo Capa.
Happy
Wala siya
birthday.
rito dahil birthday ni Echo. So, happy birthday, Echo, in case you are listening and
Ang
viewing.
problema,
our
nawawala din
program
si
tonight.
Past President Jerry. Hindi naman
Jerry.
niya birthday ngayon.
Malamang magkasama.
Anyway,
Okay, go ahead.
Gob, no? Ladies, since you are members of the Silver Presidents, no? Kukumustahin ko lang ang paghahanda nyo dito sa nalalapit na event natin. No?
Masaya.
District 3780. Can you tell our televiewers
Ito, classmates.
briefly?
Medyo kakaiba ito, no? Itong aming pinaghahandaan na district induction because syempre, special ito para sa darating na term ni Governor Sammy Pagdilaw. Okay? Because during our term, siya yung tumatakbo na governor.
At nanalo.
Anyway,
At nanalo.
coming
Oo, siya
from
ang
you, sabi mo,
nanalo.
naiiba to, no?
Oo.
What makes it different from the previous years? Sige nga.
Ayan, alam na alam ni Tita
Hindi,
May.
kasi ganito. Since na kami yung parang laging kausap ni Gob Chess habang piniprepare yan, i-update ko lang, as of yesterday, nasa 650 yung confirmed and paid attendees namin. And ang club na magpa-participate doon sa event na yon is nasa 48 na. So
Wow.
it's 103 tayo. Ewan ko lang kung nabasa na ni Aiza at saka ni Gob Jess kasi in-email ko kanina. So, ine-expect namin na aabot kami ng 800 hanggang
I
Saturday.
think this will be a record breaker in terms of club participation,
Siyempre,
Gob.
parang yung silver, di ba?
Ganun.
1,000 attendees, di ba? Yun. So, ang ano namin, as of yesterday yon. So, kanina, marami pa daw nagbayad at nagko-confirm na attend. So,
Dami
hanggang Friday, kakayanin namin, hopefully, makayanan natin yung 800 attendees.
Since this event is for the best class team who will be the successors, ika nga, can you give them your message if there are any?
As Aaron said, we're doing this most especially for the silver, for our best class governor, na si Governor
Yeah.
Sammy, and of course, his beautiful spouse Chai, and of course, the best class presidents. As Aaron explained, it was during our term when the silver presidents elected the silver governor. And together with that, of course, dun din na-nominate yung ating mga club presidents na uupo ngayong term na to. So what makes it different? Well, there's more music, there's more entertainment.
Fellowship?
Of course, there's more fellowship.
I heard that from the government.
There will be only 2 major speeches during the evening affair, and this will be a speech by our outgoing governor, Francis Rivera, and of course the inaugural speech of our great district
Dancing
governor,
also? Bob?
Sammy Pagdilao.
There will be a lot of dancing?
Yes, for as long as you're there will be a lot of dancing and fun.
And speaking of the program, no, it is not only the mass induction, which is one of the highlights of our program. Meron din tayong showbiz personality na makakasama. I mean for the program.
And don't forget, of course, it will be covered by UNTV.
That's right.
Action,
O, teka, tatanungin ko lang yung aking classmate, si BFF Marlene. Kasi, di ba ang Silver President, alam natin na susuportahan natin yung term ni Gob Sammy. So, bakit naging close ang Silver President kay Governor Sammy Pagdilao?
Ako, as far as I remember, kaya full support tayo kay Gob Sammy dahil SP siya eh. Sammy Pagdilao, SP.
O, di ba? Silver President, di ba?
Yun na, maliwanag na ngayon sa akin. Kaya pala, ang tawag sa amin sa Batangas na may kiling.
Hindi naman. O, si classmate Becky naman, isa siya sa napakasipag mag-campaign. So, ipaliwanag mo naman sa mga televiewers natin kung paano mo kinampaign ang induction ni Gob Sammy. Siyempre, di ba?
Nag-campaign kami Lunes hanggang Saturday. Wala nga may meeting ng Sunday. Gusto ko pa rin mag-campaign hanggang Sunday eh.
O, di ba?
By the way, will you be accepting
Kinarir namin
on-site
talaga.
registration? No.
There will be on-site registration.
But we discourage them.
Because with you around now on TV, probably it will encourage more participants.
And then about the on-site registration, we can only accept for as long as there are unsold tickets.
I see.
Pagka nabenta na lahat yung 800 tickets,
Wala na.
kaming magagawa doon because we only reserved up to 800. And as Aaron said, it's nearing that
Dwindling.
number.
It's
It's nearing 800 very quickly. So, sana ngayon mag-register na.
So watch out, Rotarians from District 3780. Sinabi ni Gob and the past President Eren, ha?
Yes, maraming attendees sa district
So,
natin. And
otherwise you'll miss the fun.
yes.
So let me just take this opportunity, Lani, to express my sincere gratitude to my presidents. Talagang napakasipag nila and I saw in them the commitment to serve not only Governor Sammy, not only the best class presidents, but the district. So we're really doing this for Governor Sammy, first of all, for the best class president, second of all, but more especially we're doing this for the district. For after all, this is called the district turnover.
Yes.
It is a district event. It marks the beginning of a new Rotary year. Yan ang significance
But
nun.
Gob, you might have missed it. In behalf of Governor Sammy, I heard it personally that he was thanking also your group
Wow.
for doing the job.
Oo. So, talagang kami mutual admiration society. So, that's it, Lani.
Salamat sa ating mga naging panauhin. Magbabalik ang Rotary in Action, so stay tuned.